Imagine your business data is like a massive collection of Lego bricks. You have customer information, sales records, inventory lists, and employee details. Right now, these bricks might be scattered everywhere. Some are in spreadsheets on one person's computer, others are in a cloud storage folder, some might even be in an old database that only one person knows how to use. This scattered approach makes it incredibly difficult to see the whole picture. This is where Microsoft Dataverse steps in. Think of Dataverse as a giant smart Lego storage box, but for your business data. It's a secure, cloud-based platform designed to hold all your important information in one central place. It's not just a simple database, it's a smart storage system that understands business. Instead of hunting for scattered pieces, your teams can go to one trusted source to find exactly what they need when they need it. This platform is the backbone of the Microsoft Power Platform. This shift from scattered data to a unified foundation is the first crucial step toward transforming your business operations. The beauty of Dataverse is its simplicity for the end user. Dataverse provides the solid ground upon which you can build the future of your business processes, one organized piece of data at a time. When you first start using Dataverse, you are not beginning with a completely blank slate. That's why Dataverse comes with a set of pre-built standard tables. These are ready-to-use structures for common business concepts like account, contact, product, and case. Think of these as pre-sorted compartments in your Lego box, already labeled for your most used bricks. This feature is incredibly useful because it saves you a tremendous amount of time and effort. These standard tables are more than just simple templates. For example, the contact table is already linked to the account table, reflecting the real-world relationship between a person and the company they work for. This built-in logic helps ensure your data is consistent and meaningful from day one. This allows your business to quickly start building solutions that address immediate needs without getting bogged down in database design. Of course, no two businesses are exactly alike. This is where the true flexibility of Dataverse shines. Alongside the standard tables, you have the power to create your own custom tables. Let's say your business rents out specialized equipment. You could create a custom table called Equipment Rental, with specific fields like rental start date, return due date, equipment condition, and link to customer table. This combination of standard and custom tables gives you the best of both worlds. You get the speed and convenience of pre-built structures for common data, plus the unlimited flexibility to model any unique aspect of your business. This means Dataverse grows with your business, making it a long-term solution, not just a quick fix for today's data problems. One of the greatest challenges for modern businesses is the problem of data silos. When your data is spread across different systems that don't talk to each other, you lose visibility and control. The marketing team has its customer list, the sales team has its own, the support team has yet another. This fragmentation leads to inefficiencies, duplicates, and a fractured view of your customers. Centralized data management in Dataverse solves this problem elegantly. By providing a single, authoritative source of truth, Dataverse ensures that everyone in your organization is working from the same playbook. When a customer's details are updated, that change is instantly available to every authorized user and every connected app. This central hub is not just about convenience, it is a critical component of data security. When data is scattered, enforcing consistent security policies is nearly impossible. With Dataverse, you manage security from one central point. You can define who gets to see what data and what they are allowed to do with it. This comprehensive control is essential for protecting sensitive business information and complying with data privacy regulations like GDPR. The flexibility of Dataverse extends far beyond its data modeling capabilities. Its powerful integration features mean it works seamlessly with the entire Microsoft stack. Furthermore, Dataverse is not a closed system. This open approach means Dataverse can unify data from across your entire technology landscape, allowing you to centralize your data without having to abandon the other essential tools your business relies on to function effectively. To truly understand the impact of Dataverse, let's look at some real-world examples. Consider a company with field service agents. In the past, they might have used paper forms or a clunky mobile app that didn't connect to other systems. With Dataverse, you can build a custom app using Power Apps in a matter of hours. The agent can use this app on their tablet to see their schedule, access customer history, view equipment manuals, and capture the customer's signature directly in the app. Once that data is in Dataverse, a Power Automate flow can automatically generate an invoice, convert it to PDF, and email it to the customer. What used to be a series of manual, time-consuming steps now happens instantly, freeing up employees to focus on more valuable tasks and accelerating the cash flow cycle. Now let's think about management and business intelligence. A sales manager needs to understand team performance. Instead of asking team members to manually compile reports from their individual spreadsheets, the manager can use a Power BI dashboard connected directly to Dataverse. This dashboard can display real-time data on sales pipelines, conversion rates, and revenue by region. The insights are always current, accurate, and available on demand, enabling proactive and informed leadership. Finally, you can even extend Dataverse data to your customers and partners through Power Pages. Imagine creating a secure customer portal where your clients can log in to view their past orders, check the status of a support ticket, or update their contact information. All the data displayed on the portal is surfaced directly from Dataverse, and any changes the customer makes are written back to the same central source. This not only improves the customer experience by providing self-service options, but also reduces the administrative burden on your internal teams. These examples show how Dataverse is not just a database, it is an active, dynamic engine for smarter business processes. In today's digital world, data is your most valuable asset, and protecting it is non-negotiable. Dataverse is built on the robust and secure Microsoft Azure cloud, which means it inherits enterprise-grade security features right out of the box. Your data is encrypted both when it's stored, at rest, and when it's being transmitted, in transit, providing a fundamental layer of protection against unauthorized access. Microsoft invests billions of dollars annually in security, ensuring that the underlying infrastructure is constantly monitored and defended against emerging threats. Beyond the physical and network security of the cloud, Dataverse provides sophisticated tools for controlling access to your data. With RBAC, you can create security roles that define exactly what users can see and do. For instance, a salesperson's role might allow them to create and edit their own sales opportunities, but only provide read-only access to opportunities owned by others. Dataverse security can be configured at multiple levels for even more precise control. You can also implement hierarchical security, which models your organization's reporting structure. Finally, Dataverse provides comprehensive auditing and data protection features. You can enable auditing to track who created, who updated, or who deleted records, providing a clear and unchangeable history of data modifications. This is crucial for compliance and for investigating any data-related incidents. Furthermore, Dataverse supports data loss prevention policies, which help prevent users from accidentally or maliciously sharing sensitive information with unauthorized services or individuals. By combining these powerful features, Dataverse offers a fortress-like security posture that gives you complete peace of mind, knowing your critical business data is always protected. By bringing all your business data into a single platform, Dataverse fundamentally changes how your organization operates. It's a secure platform and a smart platform. It eliminates the time wasted searching for information, correcting inconsistent data, and manually moving information between systems. Business processes that were once slow, brittle, and prone to error now become faster, more reliable, and automated. This newfound efficiency is not just a minor improvement, it's a competitive advantage. When your teams are no longer bogged down by technical friction, they are free to focus on serving customers, developing new products, and driving business growth. The reliability that Dataverse provides cannot be overstated. With Dataverse as your foundation, your applications and workflows are built on solid ground. The data structure is managed, consistent, and secure. That means solutions are robust and dependable. This reliability gives your business the confidence to automate critical processes and to scale operations without fear of constant breakdowns. This solid foundation empowers your organization to innovate at a much faster pace. The ability to create business solutions is no longer limited to IT. This democratization of development unleashes grassroots innovation across the company. Ideas for improvement can become working solutions in days or weeks, not months or years. Ultimately, Dataverse helps you shift focus from managing technology to achieving business outcomes. Dataverse handles the technical complexity so you can focus on innovation, customer satisfaction, and market leadership. It empowers your business to not just manage data, but to harness its full potential. By turning data from a chaotic liability into a strategic asset, Dataverse clears the path for your organization to thrive in an increasingly data-driven world.